Okay, if you've got one of these controllers to control your automatic doors, then this is a quick user instructions on how to use it. This button here gives you the automatic mode. In this mode, the doors will open from either direction when you approach from inside or outside. This button here is also automatic mode, and as you can see, you get two little arrows pop up at the two sides of the screen here. This is the winter setting, and in this mode the doors will not open to the full opening width, but is a slightly reduced opening width. That's used for larger sliding or biparting doors, or if you have a very large single sliding door, then this will make the door open to a reduced opening width. So push it once to select winter mode, or this is summer mode. Push it once for winter mode, and that just turns the winter mode on and off like that. Okay, so this is the automatic setting. From wherever you are, this will always put your door back to automatic, but it could also be in the winter mode as well. This button here is hold open, or as it says here, continuous open. Push the button one more time, and now the door is in the manual mode. This literally switches off the drive and disengages the motor, and now the door freewheels and you can push and pull the door backwards and forwards. In this mode, you use this is the setting you would use to clean behind your doors. So select the manual mode, then you can pull your door across, clean and sweep behind the rear side of the door and the underside of the door by opening your inner safety door. Then when you're finished, literally push this button back to automatic again, and your doors will work in a normal way. So we'll take that off the winter mode. This button here is no entry, and it's exactly that. It will not let people back into the restaurant, but it will let people out. So in this mode, you get the no entry symbol and the one-way words there. So that's very useful prior to locking up, maybe 5 or 10 minutes before you wish to close your restaurant, or if you get any aggravation or vandalism in there and you need to start clearing the restaurant out. This button, like I say, will let people out. Once the door's shut, after somebody leaves, then the external sensor is switched off and it will not let people back in. So back to automatic again. This button here for McDonald's is not used. It's exactly that, as it says, it's locked. That's applicable if we have an electric locking system or a magnetic locking system inside the operator, and it secures the door. So all the sensors are switched off, the door will close and it will electrically lock. So we don't use this setting at McDonald's. To come back out of that setting, we go back to automatic. If you do select this by mistake, you will find exactly that. Your door will close and shut, but all your sensors will be switched off. Nobody will be able to get in or out. So try and avoid that one if you can. This button here is your reset switch. So in the event that you get somebody hanging around outside your restaurant under your sensors or in your doorway for too long, this button will act as a software reset, just like you do on your iPhone or your BlackBerry when sometimes you get a problem there. Also occurs if you get somebody knock or bash the door, because the microprocessor can sense the obstruction and it may want to do a diagnostic test. So let's push and hold that button for 5 seconds. You'll get a software version notice, and then it asks you reset control. This button at the top is no, this button at the bottom is yes. So just push that once and it does a software reset. Now the door will be, on the next operation, the door will open very slowly, and the computer will do a self-diagnostic test. It will weigh the door, measure the door, check everything that is okay and working. Providing everything's okay, it will go back to fully operational use. So there we are. If you want to lock this keypad to stop anybody fiddling with the buttons, at the moment I can change these modes or these settings to whatever I want, as I was describing earlier, but we can stop this keypad being tampered with, and that's done by pressing record star padlock. Now we get this small symbol in the left hand corner here, and it tells us that the keypad is locked. Okay, so it doesn't matter what button I press, nothing happens, the mode doesn't change. So to unlock the keypad, it's exactly the same operation, record star padlock. Now it's unlocked, that symbol's disappeared. So if you find that nothing's happening, or the keypad's locked, or it's frozen, or it appears to be frozen, then check for that small symbol and that will tell you that your keypad is locked. You just need to unlock it and then go back to using it. So if you need assistance 24 hours a day, please remember to call us directly on 0843 523 1063. Any problems, please ring 24 hours a day.